Hello, my crafty friends. It's Ellie from Periwinkle Matilda, and I'm going to do a quick flip through of the new digital kit that I just listed on Etsy. It's called Pretty French Cottage. It consists of 21 pages. There are 13 journal pages. And then there are, I believe, 7 ephemera pages. But I'll go through each page and show you. So what I'll show you first are the journal pages. So I did a lot of collage with vintage wallpapers, cottage wallpapers. And I also used French ephemera. And I'm delighted with the way these pages have turned out. They print really nice. So these would be good to use as the front pages. And then I also have 3 lighter pages that you can journal on that you can use for the back pages. So I'll show you those. So it's ledger and it's some French letter, and then I put some lace in the background. There's actually 3 of these. For some reason I didn't print the other one, but it's very similar to this. And then the ephemera, here are some pockets, and there goes Willow. Sorry about that, guys. 1 sheet of pockets, and then another sheet of pockets. Journaling cards. Love the way those turned out. Belly bands. Envelopes. Ephemera. There's some washi tape, some postcards, other journaling cards, stamps, and a pretty fussy cut. Here are triple tags, large tags, and then smaller tags. So again, I'll list a link of the Etsy listing in case you want to check out the digital kit. And now quickly, I also want to do some happy mail. I want to show you some happy mail I received. So this I received from Beth from Yes, I Made It Myself Crafts. She has a YouTube channel, and I will link that in my description box. She is on my design team. And so, yes, I will link her YouTube site in the description box. And this was a page layout swap that we did on the Periwinkle Matilda Facebook group. And I swapped with Beth, and this is what she sent me. A cute little envelope. This is just handmade by her. And an altered paper clip, so pretty. And then the page spread with beautiful digital paper. And she did she sewed a ruffle and added a little bow and a pearl. Then you open it up. And this is a little flip out that you can journal on. It's a pocket with a see-through window, and then there's a journaling card. So pretty. I love all the stitching. Very pretty. And then this opens up. And there is another journaling card. You can also write in here. Love it. I love this closure. It's so easy to tie it up and open it up. And then on the back side, there's a triple pocket, another altered paper clip, another journaling card with a charm, very pretty, and triple pockets you can put stuff in. And a little note. And then the next happy mail that I received is from Carol Jaggers. And she was so kind to send me vintage music papers. She knew that I didn't have any. She also sent me this little notebook that she made. And then all of this beautiful music paper. I love the patina, the color of it. And then some more music paper. So thank you so much, Carol. It took a long time to get here. I think it probably got lost, but it ended up making it here the other day. So thank you so much, Carol. Thank you, Beth. And thank you all for watching this video and for checking out my new digital kit, for all your love and support. And until the next video, bye-bye, friends.